Hey there, lovely viewers! Welcome to the awesome corner of the internet where imagination knows no bounds. We're Anvita and Advita, your enthusiastic hosts, and we're thrilled to have you with us on this exciting journey filled with fun, learning new topics, crafts, slokas, bhajans, songs, gymnastics, stunts, yoga, and many more. Whether we're diving into the depths of the ocean, blasting off into space, or even uncovering the wonders of the past, there is always something exciting to discover together. Together we laugh, learn, and create unforgettable memories. So, hey there, awesome squad! If you're loving the fun we're having here, make sure to subscribe, like, and spread the joy like confetti. To make this party even bigger and brighter, click those buttons and let's rock this channel, the Anvi and Advi Show. Thank you, everyone. Bye bye.